If you're a real estate agent, you've probably heard about Facebook ads. But how do they work? How can they help your business? And how much does it cost? In this video, we'll answer all these questions and more. Welcome to Leads Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help real estate agents and brokers get more leads for their marketing. Real estate agents use Facebook ads for several reasons. One could be for brand awareness. If you want to increase brand awareness for your real estate business, it's perfect because it allows you to target customers who haven't heard of you yet. Another could be to generate leads. Once your ads are set up correctly, Facebook ads that convert can help grow any real estate business without breaking the bank. We'll walk through the basics of using Facebook ads for your real estate business, from choosing the right objective to analyzing the results of your campaign. You can use Facebook to target the right people for your real estate business. Facebook for Realtors is an easy way to get in front of the right audience. When you set up your ad campaign, you need to know who your audience is. You may have a couple of ideas in mind already, but you should consider all the different ways that people might be looking for properties in your area. For example, maybe there are some neighborhoods with a lot of families moving in, and others where young professionals are buying up houses as investments. These different groups will want to see different things when they look for information about new homes. The more specific you can be about who you're trying to reach, the better off you'll be, because it means that first, you won't waste money on ads that don't work. Second, you'll spend less time on ads that don't work, and because of that, have more time for ones that do work. And third, you won't have any trouble selling yourself or your services to potential clients. We have the best 3 Facebook ads that we are giving away in our description below. One is for a listing ad, one is for an open house ad, and one is for a buyer's ad. As a bonus, we also have a Facebook ad for seller campaigns as well. These ads have consistently returned leads for under $5 per lead, which is far less than your traditional Zillow and Realtor.com leads. And all the leads are exclusive to you. Choosing your objective. If you're like most real estate agents, you probably have a lot of different goals for your Facebook ads. Maybe you want to get more leads, or maybe you want to increase your brand awareness. But there's one thing that should always be your top priority: getting more clients. The first goal for any paid ad should be your CTR, your click-through rate. This measures a number of people that actually clicked on your ad. So when you are running your ad, be specific about the type of audience you want to click on it. If you are running a listing ad, show a picture of the actual listing. If you are running a buyer's ad for a neighborhood, show some photos of that neighborhood and talk about it in the ad. If you are running an open house ad, show some pictures of the open house coming up, along with the date and time it's happening. Always give a call to action for them to click the ad, and always give them a reason to click to get more information about the property they have shown an interest in. The second goal is to get this traffic that you are essentially buying and turn it into traffic that you own. But we'll go into later how to do that. But basically, we want our leads to register with their email address so we can give them what they click the ad to see. This could be information about the listing you are promoting. This could be a list of homes in a neighborhood they are potentially looking to buy in. Or it could just be more information about an open house coming up. Either way, the goal is to get them from clicking your ad to getting them valuable information as quickly as possible. Once you have their information, now you can get them to your website through email and text. And if you set up the registration correctly, you also want to be able to call them, and all within the first 5 minutes of them registering. Speed to information is always going to be key. These leads are exclusive to you, but the quicker you can get them information they want, the more valuable credibility you build with your new lead. Facebook ads are an effective way to reach your target audience. Now that we know how the ads are going to get them to register, we still need to get the ads in front of the right people. One of the most effective things about Facebook ads is you can specifically target the audience you want to see your ads. Facebook ads for real estate agents is one of the most effective ways to do this. When you are setting up your ad in the location section, you can choose the city you want to target. You can choose the radius of that city you want to target. You can even choose to target only people that live in that city you have chosen. Or you can choose to target those that live in the city and those that have shown an interest in that city. This works great for areas where people are relocating to. There are close to 3 billion people on Facebook. We don't want to target all of them, nor could we. The cost would be way out of anybody's budget. But with Facebook, you can get specific to your area. You can also choose to target people with specific interests or people that are following certain influencers. This really helps if you were targeting investors or sellers where the area may be larger than one city. Facebook ads allow you to create highly targeted ads that will only show up in front of people who have expressed interest in buying or selling a home in your specific areas. This makes it so much easier for you to put your ad in front of the right audience to get leads and close deals. Facebook ads can help you stand out to the right clients. Here's why. People are constantly looking for houses, apartments, and commercial space on Facebook. Yet if you're not using Facebook ads to reach them, you're missing out on potential clients. When you are a real estate agent running Facebook ads, Facebook allows you to put your ad in front of the right audience. What we mean by that is Facebook is going to show your ad to the people you choose to pay to get it in front of. Unlike Google or search marketing where you have to wait for people to search for what you have ready for them, Facebook will interrupt what they are doing and put your ad in front of them because they have shown an interest in what you have. So Facebook has done its job of putting your ad in front of interested people. Now you want to cater your ad to your audience. Create an ad that speaks directly to your ideal customer. Is it someone who's new to town, someone who's looking for a starter home, a retiree? You need to know exactly who your target audience is before you start creating an ad. We already have the ad copy created that you can have for free in our description. You can copy and paste the Facebook ads we have to use in your real estate business today. With these Facebook ads, we have proven to get leads over and over for under $5 per lead. And the best part is all of these leads from Facebook are exclusive to you. If you're trying to attract real estate clients, Facebook ads are a great way to do this. They allow you to target your audience with laser-like accuracy so that only the people who will really be interested in what you have to offer see your ads. You can use Facebook ads with retargeting to make the most of your advertising budget. Facebook retargeting ads are super important because it's one of the most cost-effective ways to get your ads in front of people who might be interested in buying or selling a home. When using Facebook ads, it's a good idea to set up a retargeting campaign. With a retargeting campaign, you are gathering data from your Facebook ad of those people that clicked on your ad but did not result in a lead at that time. Facebook allows you to now take those people who have clicked on your ad but didn't perform an action, and now you show them other ads that may help to turn those people into leads. Maybe these new ads will get them further down an actual sales funnel, like filling out a contact form or scheduling an appointment. The goal of these campaigns is to bring these users back into the sales process by making sure they see your ad again when they're browsing around Facebook. Because they have already shown interest by clicking your initial ad, these are warmer leads. Maybe they saw your ad but wanted to get more information about you before they gave you their information. Maybe they were ready to get more information but they had to go pick up their kids so they didn't get a chance to. Or maybe they were just cooking dinner and couldn't complete the process at the time. Remember, we did interrupt them. They were not looking for our ad. We paid Facebook to put it in front of them. And our ad got them to click because they have an interest in what we have to offer. But they were not sitting at their computer setting aside time to spend with us. Facebook can collect that data and we can access it to send out ads to those people specifically. This is important because they have already shown an interest by clicking on your ad. We want to put our ads in front of them on Facebook again to allow them to complete their request for more information. Because they have already shown an interest, your conversion rate will be higher with these warmer leads. Facebook lead ads are more convenient for potential clients than traditional lead forms. Traditional lead forms are designed to take people out of Facebook to your website and then force them to fill out a form to see the information they requested. There are several problems with this, but here are two issues right away. First, remember they didn't go looking for us. They didn't use Google to find us. We interrupted them on Facebook and now we are asking them to leave Facebook to go to our website. Second, they probably don't know you. So now they have left Facebook to go to someone's website who they don't know to give their email address and phone number. Today, that does not work. To get the best conversions through your paid ads, you want to give your audience the least amount of friction to give them the information they want. A big part of why we are able to get leads from running Facebook ads for under $5 a lead is because we use Facebook lead forms. This has several benefits. First, these stay on Facebook. They don't have to leave, they're already on Facebook. Second is because they are already logged into Facebook, Facebook will auto fill out their information. This makes it much easier and far less intrusive for us to ask for their personal information. Third is once they fill out the lead form, immediately they get an email from us and a text from us with the information they requested. And as we are running a listing ad campaign or an open house campaign or a buy a lead campaign, the link they receive from us will lead them directly to our website. We have all of this already set up. If you want help with this, you can click the link in our description below this ad. But this only works if you have an automated follow-up system to get your new leads what they want right up front. Let's keep in mind our end goal is to get them to our website, right? But we have to give people what they want first before they will come to our website. Plus, by using Facebook lead forms for our registration, we can send people to our website without needing to force them to register. They can use our website for what it's meant for more information so that they can bookmark it and come back to it over and over again. Using Facebook ads can help you connect with your audience in a new way. You can get the Facebook ads we use for our real estate agents for free down below in the description, but there are other types of Facebook ads for realtors that work great too. When it comes to real estate marketing, there's no doubt that Facebook is one of the best places for it. Using Facebook video ads can help you connect with your audience in a new way. This is super important because because what's the point of marketing if you can't connect with people? People are always watching and listening. They're waiting for you to say something that resonates with them so they can engage. And when you're trying to reach out to potential clients, connecting is key. So how do you use Facebook video ads to get more real estate clients? Here are 3 tips. First, think about what kind of content will resonate with your audience. You know your audience best, so what kind of videos do they like? What kind of content would make them want to work with you? Second, decide how much time and money you want to spend on this campaign. Do you want to run ads for just 1 week or 2 weeks, or would you rather run them over several months? The longer your campaign goes, the more money it will cost, but also the more exposure it will give your brand. Third, real estate agents can use Facebook video ads to share client testimonials or highlight the benefits of buying or selling a home through them. Real estate agents can also use Facebook video ads to reach out to potential clients who are in the market for a new home and want to know more about the process of buying or selling one. Video ads are great for attracting these because they let people know who you are and what you do. You want your audience to feel like they know you, like they're friends with you, and what better way to do this than through video ads? Analyze the results of your ad campaign thoroughly.
Every time you run an ad, you should make sure to do this step so that you can learn from what worked and what didn't work and make them better next time around. For example, if your ad was not successful and didn't get any clicks or leads, then it might be a good idea to change up the wording in your ad copy or change the images that are used in the Facebook post itself. If you notice that certain days and times of day seem to perform better than others, then it would probably be worth testing out these times when running new ads in order to see if they perform better or worse than what has worked before. If you want proven Facebook ads that have worked over and over again for countless real estate agents in their Facebook marketing, you can get the best performing ads for free in our description down below. Analytics are key to having a successful ad campaign. Measuring click-through rate to your ad and how many leads you acquired from it are key signals to your Facebook ad working or not. If you want help with setting everything up, you can book an appointment with one of our team members below. Facebook advertising is becoming increasingly important for real estate agents to understand and use effectively. In the past, Facebook was primarily used as a way of keeping in touch with friends and family. Now, it has become an important tool for real estate businesses to reach their audience. It is also a great way for real estate agents to connect with potential clients and reach out to them with information about their services. Using Facebook ads correctly will help you get more clients and generate more leads. With Facebook ads, you can target by location so that you're only showing up in front of people who live near the area you want, or you can target by location to those that live there as well as those that have shown an interest recently in visiting homes there. This allows you to run ads in specific cities or neighborhoods without spending money on people who are not interested in what you have to offer. And the nice thing is, Facebook will put your ads in front of them. You don't have to wait for people to search for it. Facebook already knows they have shown an interest. So spending money on Facebook ads allows you to target that specific information to get your ad in front of your target audience. And because you can choose your daily budget for your ad, Facebook ads are a really inexpensive way to get more clients and generate more leads. Ultimately, Facebook ads can be a useful tool for real estate agents who want to reach more potential clients. The key is to use them wisely, track your results, and tweak your strategy as needed. Here at Lead Agent Pro, we specialize in Facebook ads for real estate agents. So if you click the link below, we will give you step by step the best Facebook ads to run for your real estate business. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. You can get the free step-by-step best Facebook ads to run for your real estate business by clicking the link below in the description. This way you can just copy and paste them to use in your real estate business. If you want more help to get it set up, you can see below in the description of this video, we have a course called our 30-day lead challenge that can help to set this up right away. In the course, it is designed to help you get your Facebook ad campaign set up. It includes all the Facebook ads to use, a checklist outline for you to follow, and most important are step-by-step videos for you to follow to set up each Facebook ad campaign. you can follow along with what we are doing on video. This way you can literally watch, then pause to do the step, then watch again, pause to do the next step. It makes it so much easier to watch over our shoulder to get everything set up. And if you want us to do this for you, you can book an appointment with us today. And one of our team members will show you how we can be your marketing team to do this for you. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.